Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app installed and verified so you can ride immediately. Open the store, install Panda Rider, then grant location and notifications so pickups work. Create your account with your phone number and confirm the SMS code. Once done, add a payment method and upload any required ID or selfie for verification. This prevents rejected trips. Make sure to set your pickup radius and preferred vehicle type so the app matches you with the right drivers. You now request and control the trip details to avoid surprises. Enter a precise pickup and drop-off address, then check the fare estimate and ETA. If the price or time looks off, adjust your route or time. Choose pooled, express, accessible, or scheduled options depending on urgency. After request, watch the driver's live location and use the in-app call or message rather than personal numbers. When the car arrives, verify the license plate and driver photo before you get in to stay safe. Finish every trip cleanly and use feedback tools to improve future experiences. Confirm the drop-off in the app, review your receipt for any surge pricing or applied discounts, then tip inside the app if you want. Rate the driver and leave concise notes about service. If you leave something, open Lost and Found and provide trip details. If a technical or billing problem appears, go to Help, choose Trip Problems, and submit screenshots and timestamps. This speeds resolution and documents what happened for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.